Hello guys, welcome back to my channel and welcome to my vlog. It's been a while. My new vlog, and if you are new here, welcome. My name is Nzwaki and thank you for watching, and please make sure that you subscribe to the channel if you are new here, and to my oldies, welcome back guys. Thank you so much. So today it's Saturday morning. I've been up for like an hour. I'm exhausted. So I'm having my green tea fix, and I haven't been having green tea a lot lately. I think I've replaced it with that boiling water, lemon boiling water, that I normally drink because of COVID. So I don't drink green tea a lot. So today I'm having a cup of green tea in a very long time, and then I'm gonna have a cup of coffee. But anyway, today guys, I'm going to take you guys along. Well, before I say that, I first want to wash my hair. I was going to show you guys my day routine, but I don't think I'll manage to do that. I don't know, I'll see if I can throw in a quick wash day so I can show you guys. But I'll show you guys the products that I used just now. I'm going to quickly wash my hair, put it up in a bun, and then we're going to be out. We're going out to China Mall because I need to buy bag. So I'm gonna buy that, and maybe a wig if I can find something that I like, maybe. And then we are doing brunch with Bay, and that sums up my day. And because the weather is so gloomy and lovely outside, we just want to be home the whole time. Yeah. So yeah, that's briefly my day, and please spend the day with me. Well, thank you for spending the day with me and for watching my vlog. Yeah. So let me quickly go and wash my hair, and let's see if I can take you guys with to the bathroom. Hey guys, I'm done 10 hours later. We are leaving home actually right now, off to China Mall. I also wanted to show you guys my beads. Who it is? Oh yeah, I think you can notice I'm not wearing any lashes. So this is a lashless. It's a lashless bead. Like I've been saying to you guys, you definitely can beat your face without lashes. If you don't prefer lashes, you can. I just was not in the mood to wear lashes today. Yeah, the weather is gloomy. Not that I command, but yeah, you can see the weather. It's like a pool. But yeah, I need to show you guys my face beads. Show you guys how cute I look. I was just not very impressed with how my hair came out, because I put in a cream, a co-activator, whatever, but my hair's wet, still wet. I thought by now it would dry, but Nikki first I did the wash day and then I did that, so I wanted it to be really popping here on top, but it's not. But it's okay, I'm still cute. So we are en route to China Mall. I hope I'm gonna find that bag. It's gonna be a quick in and out, and the wig, if I do really find something cute that I really like. Yes. So Saturday. Let's bounce. Oh yeah, and another thing, you see guys, when I smile under eyes concealer, that's what a concealer does. So I always say to you guys on my makeup videos that please apply some eye cream or the pen thumb that I always recommend for you guys to help. I still have them, but they're not that bad. But also one thing that I didn't do right is I applied foundation under my here my under eye. I shouldn't have done that, but I did. I don't know why. So that helps a lot. So if you have that very soft saggy skin like I do under your under eyes, try that. But anyway, okay, let's go. It's actually beautiful weather.
Only one true love, true love.
Guys, hi again. I've been saying hi the whole day. So we just got home from our very hectic day, and it was just hectic because there was traffic. Other than that, I'm sure we would have been home around 4. We would have been home around 4 now. It's 10 to 6 in the evening. But it was hectic because of traffic and the rain, and because Joburg drivers just want to do their own thing on the road and just not obey the rules, and in the middle of the rain. In fact, I had to get out of the car at some point and control the traffic just to make sure that I took my umbrella because it was pouring. I took my umbrella out of the boot and I jumped out and I said, hey guys, please come on, let's do the right thing. And I got us out of traffic. Yeah, that's how crazy it was. And eventually we got to our lunch spot. As you guys saw, it was a lovely lunch. It's a beautiful place, very nice, but if you ask me, nothing spectacular. It was our first time there. I saw it somewhere on YouTube actually, and I thought we should try it out. The food is not as amazing as I not expected, but it was not as amazing. It's not amazing, it's just good food, it's normal. And yeah, so now we just got home and my face bit is still popping. I'm still popping and I haven't even freshened up. I haven't freshened up nothing. I have not powdered my nose. Absolutely not. So we're just gonna chill. What are we gonna watch now? Are we watching soccer? What? What other people were doing? Okay. What do you have in mind?
Browse the internet.
Okay. Okay. So he's gonna check out a movie. Oh no, we're catching up on that Showmax stuff. What is it? There's more episodes. That show on Showmax. That's what we're catching up on. Yeah, bo. And that's gonna be our day. Just chilled and really not chilled. It was hectic in the morning. Now the evening is gonna be very chilled. Yep.
True love is what I need, my baby. Like I see you, you see me. That's the only way to be right. True love.
That is what I got to China Mall. And I also wanted to get some lighting here. Right, where the lighting is fine. Yes, that's the bag I got to China Mall, and I also wanted to get a wig, but guys, I am a natural hair girl. I'm really not into spending money on wigs because wigs is really just not my thing. I'm trying to find good lighting. It's a bit better, but I didn't find a wig, an affordable wig, or even the ones that were a little bit expensive. The quality for me was not it. It just didn't make sense for me to buy a wig like that. So I thought to myself, no, I actually don't even know proper hair, but I think it's just gonna be a waste of money for me to buy this. So then I remembered my cousin Refile on my sip or spill video. Got a video from got a wig from China Mall. I should have actually asked her exactly where she got it from, which shop. Because hers is very nice quality. Like it's really nice. So I didn't get a wig. I just got that, and that's it. And we left because it's really not nice being on the road. Hapula ina like too much. Yeah, that's all I got, and then we went for brunch. And yes, and guys, my skin is breaking out. Do you guys see? Can you guys identify a pimple on my face? There's it. Number. It's breaking out. I can't you break out in a cause I get in. But I'm not stressing. I will take it after. That's the remedy. That's the video. Hello guys. Don't judge my hair. It's tight. Hi guys. So today is Sunday morning. It's almost just before 12 midday. I'm having my first cup of coffee. I don't feel like I started my day right in terms of digestion and whatever. So if you look at the lemon, I haven't bought lemons, and I've been going to the shops and I forget to buy lemons, which is very strange. Maybe my body needs a little bit of a break from lemon. But I can start my day with lemon water. So today I started my day with just plain water. So now I'm having a cup of coffee. We've had such a busy morning. We woke up and we had to run to go fetch our machine. We got ourselves a deal, a nice Black Friday deal on our new on this washing machine, a front loader. We've been using this top loader for years and years. I've wanted, mommy has wanted a washing machine for a while now, so I'm glad we could get a nice deal on Black Friday. So we went to fetch it because these people are charging us 600 rand for delivery. we bought it at House and Home. There was one from Marco that I wanted, but it was sold out. And Marco, if you purchase anything online over 500 rand, it's free delivery, I think. Now these guys want to charge us 600 rand for delivery. I said no, we'll fetch the damn thing ourselves. That's like, yeah man, I'm rent full tank. Yeah, petrol. Nah man, yo. So we're just busy with that, and after this we're going to Braamfontein. I'll take you guys with me to fetch some of my niece's stuff because it's end of school time for her, and she's gonna go home with me next weekend. Yeah, and that's just gonna be my day. And the rest of the time, I think I'm just gonna sit here and edit some videos. I've got 2 videos I'm going to edit, 1 or 2, and post one later. Yeah. My vlog's actually, I think this vlog is going to be up to date. Actually, I might just do that. Yeah, so that's it. And my hair. Guys, I'll sort out my hair later. Keep busy. I'm busy. So yeah. So spend a few hours with us today. That's Bay over there. Who do not see busy kabuchisi wa connecta fela. Sorry, he doesn't even want my help. He doesn't want me to touch anything. It's ukukile. Get you a man that lives with ladies. Ukukile li wadi from Koloi ata hozinga moto. He's busy connecting it. Get yourself a handyman, ladies. Pulling it again, like you go to like no, I've got it. I'm like, okay. So that's him busy there with that. It looks so cute. Out with the old, in with the new. Okay, a little bit closer. So I can show you. But okay, I'll show you guys when he's done the mission.
Only one true love, true love.
Hey guys, it's me again on my channel. Of course it's gonna be me. So I was busy shooting some Instagram content, some makeup content, as you guys can see. As you guys can see, your girl's looking pretty in this makeup look. But I wanted to just chat and sort of do a little check in, check out situation with my vlog. I'm supposed to actually be sitting here editing the vlog that I shot today. But you guys, today has been wild. I'm sure the vlog will be up tomorrow. I'll definitely make sure this vlog is actually up tomorrow. I'll make sure of that. So I just wanted to check out or check in with you guys with recent events of the country around the new variant and the travel ban. And sorry guys, I've got lipstick on my teeth. The travel bans from you know, South African countries, SADC countries. How are you guys feeling about that? How does it make you feel? Do you think it's okay that we are all just banned from traveling? Do you think it's okay? And if you think it's okay, tell us why. Or you don't think it's okay. If you don't think it's okay, tell us why. I'll tell you what I think. I definitely don't think it's okay. And I'm saying it's not okay because why is it just certain countries that are banned by the West, whereas this variant is found in other countries? What about those countries? Why are there no travel bans imposed on them the same way that they're imposed on us? Simple as that for me. It doesn't even need further explanation. Just simple as that. For me, it's wrong, very, very wrong. I could go on and go on and go on, but I'm not gonna do that. And also, I wanted to find out from you guys, like, how you guys feeling? How are you guys feeling? Do you feel anxious? I'm sure a lot of people are feeling anxious, or a lot of us are feeling anxious. Anxiety is kicking in. We are seeing a lot of information out there about this new variant and what is happening, what is the world coming into, and it causes a lot of anxiety personally for me. So I'm chatting to you guys to find out from you guys, how are you guys managing your anxiety levels, or when anxiety kicks in, what is your go-to thing? How do you calm your mind? How do you calm your mind? How do you try to stop your mind from running around? and how do you stop yourself, or how do you try to stop yourself from overthinking the whole situation? Share those tips down below in the comment section. I'm sure some of us or somebody out there might see that and it might really help them. But how are you feeling, guys? Let's chat. I don't think with everything happening around us, we should just ignore it and continue just to shoot content, whatever content it is that we're shooting. Some things are such a reality that everything is in our faces that it's impossible to ignore. So I think it's important that we do it. At least do it. Have a check-in moment, or have a conversation. I know there's a lot of conversations happening around the world, but I thought I should just bring this on my channel and let us just talk about how we feel. Let us share important tips on how are we managing anxiety. One thing that I can say though is that I literally avoid watching the news at all costs. Honey, listen, you will not catch me watching the news. I avoid that because for me that is the number one thing that actually skyrockets my anxiety levels unnecessarily. This has been years that I don't watch the news, and I avoid misinformation, false information. That's what I try to do. And I also do a lot of breathing exercises. Darling, please try that. Literally, we take that for granted, and that is the number one thing that actually helps with anxiety attacks. If you think about it, when you have an anxiety attack, what do they give you? A paper bag to breathe in and breathe out. So please practice that. Really practice that consciously. I have a moment like in the morning when I have my coffee, I stand outside my door and I do heavy breathing exercises, or just randomly as I'm working, I remember, I just sometimes I just hold it for a very long time just to test if my chest is strong enough to breathe on its own properly. So that is just me. I've passed the 5-minute mark on this video. I'm so sorry about that, but I thought I should just do a checkout before I end this vlog. And so this is how I'm gonna end this vlog. Guys, let us please manage our anxiety levels. Let us recognize it when and if it happens. Let us just not go into panic mode. I think we must just try our best to make sure that we manage that, whether it's in prayer or the two things that I've mentioned. If you do have something to share or ways to share, please do that on the comment section down below. Otherwise, thank you again, you guys, for watching my vlog. Now this is really the end of the vlog. Thank you, and I will definitely see you guys on the new vlog. Toodles!